Hello friends, have a nice day. An AI tool is a software application or platform that leverages artificial intelligence (AI) technologies to perform specific tasks or automate processes. ChatGPT, Synthesia, and Descript are all powerful AI tools that can be used to create content for YouTube or Instagram. I'm passionate about staying up to date with all the latest happenings and sharing my insights with you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into topic today. Here are some ways to use these AI tools. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model that can generate human-like responses to questions and prompts. You can use it to generate ideas for content, come up with catchy titles, or even write entire scripts. To use ChatGPT for YouTube or Instagram content creation, start by entering a prompt or question related to your topic. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on its understanding of the topic. You can use these responses to come up with ideas for your content or to help you write scripts. Here are some steps to use ChatGPT for video content creation. Choose a topic. Start by choosing a topic for your video. Use keyword research tools or social media trends to find popular topics related to your niche. Enter a prompt. Enter a prompt or question related to your topic into ChatGPT. For example, what are some tips for creating engaging YouTube videos, or what are some popular YouTube video formats? Generate responses. ChatGPT will generate responses based on its understanding of the topic. Review the responses to find ideas for your video or to help you write your script. Write your script. Use the responses generated by ChatGPT to write your script. Make sure to add your own voice, personality, and creativity to make your video unique and engaging. Record and edit. Once you've written your script, record your video using a camera or screen recording software. Edit your video using a video editing tool like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to add visuals, music, and captions. Optimize for SEO. Make sure to optimize your video's title, description, and tags for SEO to increase your video's visibility. Use AI-powered tools like MarketMuse or SEMrush to analyze keywords and optimize your content for search engines. Overall, ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for generating ideas and writing scripts for your YouTube and Instagram videos. However, it's important to add your own creativity and personality to your videos to make them stand out. Number 2. Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to create engaging videos quickly and easily. You can use it to create explainer videos, promotional videos, or even personalized video messages. To use Synthesia for YouTube or Instagram content creation, start by choosing a template or creating your own video script. Then, use Synthesia's AI to create a video based on your script. You can customize the visuals, music, and voiceover to match your brand and style. Here are some steps to use Synthesia for video content creation. Choose a template. Start by choosing a template that matches your video style and purpose. Synthesia offers a wide range of templates for different types of videos, such as explainer videos, promotional videos, or social media videos. Customize your video. Once you've chosen a template, you can customize your video by adding your own visuals, music, and voiceover. You can use Synthesia's built-in library of images, videos, and music, or upload your own. Write a script. Write a script for your video that outlines the message you want to convey. Keep your script concise, clear, and engaging. You can use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT to help you generate ideas for your script. Generate your video. Use Synthesia's AI to generate your video based on your script and customizations. Synthesia will automatically animate your visuals and synchronize them with your voiceover. Review and edit. Once your video is generated, review it to ensure that it meets your expectations. You can edit the visuals, music, or voiceover if necessary. Overall, Synthesia is a powerful tool that can help you create high-quality YouTube and Instagram videos quickly and efficiently. However, it's important to add your own voice, personality, and creativity to your videos to make them stand out. Number 3. Descript. Descript is an AI-powered audio and video editing tool that allows you to edit your content quickly and easily. To use Descript for YouTube or Instagram content creation, start by uploading your audio or video file to the platform. Then, use Descript's AI to edit your content by removing unwanted parts, adding captions, or even transcribing your audio. Here are some steps to use Descript for video content creation. Record your audio or video. Start by recording your audio or video using Descript's recording feature. You can use a microphone or webcam to record your content directly within Descript. Generate captions. Use Descript's AI-powered captioning tool to generate captions for your video. You can customize the style, color, and placement of your captions to make them more engaging and accessible. Edit your video using a video editing tool like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to add visuals, music, and captions. Export and upload. Once you're satisfied with your video, export it in the desired format and upload it to your YouTube channel or Instagram feed. Make sure to optimize your video's title, description, and tags for SEO to increase your video's visibility. Overall, Descript is a powerful tool that can help you create high-quality audio and video content for YouTube quickly and efficiently. However, it's important to add your own voice, personality, and creativity to your content to make it stand out. If you got a better knowledge about these AI software and platforms from this video, don't forget to leave your like and comment, and please share this video with your friends to get a better knowledge for them also. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.